Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to publish Power BI reports. So once all the charts are ready, you will press in on Home, press Publish, Save, select My Workspace, select. Once you get the message of success, it is done. Now press Got it. So your Power BI report is ready. Now you can export this in PowerPoint, embed as an image, export it. So your PPT is ready. Click on it. Open the file. Just click on slide number 2, slide number 3, slide number 4. So interesting. Now again go back on the Power BI reports. The same thing you can export in the PDF file also. Export. So once your PDF file is ready, it will give me the message here. Just click on it and you will be able to see your PDF Power BI report. So this was all about how to create uh, Power BI reports. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.